He's an excellent teacher. He's got a great system. He has a program of learning and teaching that works. I will definitely be joining his the next cohort in March. Well, my name is Stephen Wilkinson. I am a business owner, financial entrepreneur. I'm not sure I would use the word struggling. I was sort of happy in my ignorance. I wasn't in acute pain when I first came across Tiago Forte and the building a second brain concept, but I was intrigued enough, and after listening to a few of his videos, realized that there's quite a lot that I could be doing better. I was really impressed about the quality of Tiago's interaction. It seemed as if he was talking to each person individually, which is a pretty good feat, given that there were 800 individuals sometimes on those calls. And I found actually listening to them in the peace and quiet of my own time space more useful, because I could stop and go back and without feeling that I was missing being part of a live session. So it worked really well. It was during the course that I realized that I could integrate my paper notes with my digital notes. I've always felt that relationship between my paper note-taking and my digital note-taking was somehow an antagonistic one. You had to either or if you wanted to do one, that you had to give up the other. And it was during the course that I realized that both of those could be integrated seamlessly, so that they were no longer antagonistic but complementary. And that was a huge win for me, because I'd take a lot of paper notes. My work life has improved insofar as I am much more conscious about the value of note-taking. I put more effort into taking notes, so my notes are better. I have a much more deliberate system of organizing them without it being anal. I just know where to put things, and I am much more conscious of what I capture and file away, and the value that I can mine from my own thinking and from my own collection in terms of producing creative work. So it's worked on the whole idea of how I interact with stuff. Well, as I say, I think it's a life skill. Interacting with digital technology is a life skill, and Tiago has spent, 10 years becoming a master of that life skill. So I can't recommend it strongly enough.